Turning now to the coronavirus recovery. No vaccines at Dodger Stadium today. And now we're learning the supply of doses might actually shrink next week. NBC4's Patrick Healy reports the lower allocation is because of production problems with the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
The unleashing of pent-up demand. It comes every time eligibility is expanded for getting COVID vaccine. Cal State LA among the sites already sharing some available doses for the 16 to 49 age group that becomes eligible statewide next Thursday. It's had to turn away some hopefuls. Now an added challenge. Next week's vaccine allocation will be smaller, 18% fewer doses for LA County as eligibility jumps.
There is that potential for a real rush. And we are expecting that to some degree.
Chief Science Officer Dr. Paul Simon said the big allocation drop is in Johnson & Johnson doses. Pfizer and Moderna actually increasing slightly. But J&J hurting while a plant in Baltimore remains offline.
During the period that they're working with the FDA and the Baltimore facility is not yet authorized, we expect a relatively low level of weekly doses distributed.
And so a request.
And we will be urging people to be patient.
So far, COVID vaccine is approved only for those aged 16 and older. But with promising trials, Pfizer is now seeking formal emergency use authorization for children 12 to 15 as well. Approval that could come in a matter of weeks. Ultimate pediatrician and education medical director Elon Shapiro.
If the data and safety of the Pfizer vaccine that we're going to be seeing, it's equally effective and safe as the one in adults, I will be giving the same vaccine to my kids.
Though children have been less vulnerable to COVID than their elders, their percentage of cases has risen as more adults are vaccinated. Dignity Health St. Bernardine Chief Medical Officer Victor Waters.
We've noticed that there has been some trends of kids being significantly sick. That's why it behooves us to get the vaccine in this younger age group.
And indeed, approval could come fairly quickly. You'll recall last fall from request to approval, the FDA took 3 weeks for adults. And then, of course, the challenge will be finding vaccine for this new age group and then downstream for children even younger and infants as young as 6 months. Trials for them are already underway. Reporting live, Patrick Healy, NBC4 News.